Good morning, welcome to GrainTV. It's October 2nd, 2012. I'm Logan Burgess. Joining me to my right is Brock Shimano. Brock, let's jump into fire tip here, see what's going on in Chicago right now in the grain complex. As we can see, a lot of red on the board right now. Corn, soybeans, and wheat all trading lower. We have soybeans leading grains to the downside. It looks like some harvest pressure is coming into this market. We'll be talking about that a little bit more here in a moment. Let's take a quick look, though, at the November soybean contract here right now in terms of chart landscape. Right here, we were looking at this price level yesterday, Brock. We did sell through that. We printed a close below that. We were looking for that to spur the selling here, and right now we're trading down 21 cents. If we take a look at the Fibonacci retracements here on this November soybean contract, with the lows here drawn from December, the highs here with the recent highs just here in the last month, and then if we take a look at here, we're actually trading down here and bounced off this 38% retracement here. This is going to be an important level to watch here today. Technical traders are going to be watching this closely. And if we think about the funds in this market, the funds are absolutely going to be following the technicals there closely. Brock, on a more fundamental front though, we did get crop progress and conditions yesterday afternoon. What's going on there?
You know, I think when the crop progress came out and the trade opened up last night, we did see us sell off, especially in the soybean market. Right. Soybeans actually came in at 41% harvested. The industry was kind of expecting about a 35 to 37% figure. So I think that's definitely weighing on the soybean market this morning, moving along pretty quickly on that harvest rate. Corn, similar story, 54% harvested. Like everyone knows out there, we're on a record pace and we continue to increase that record. Let's take a look at what our charts that we've been following all harvest season long, what they're looking like. The red line here is that 2012 pace. You can see we're quite a bit ahead of the previous record, 2010, the blue line here. And where we should be this time of year is the green line. So you can see we're well ahead of both where we should be this time of year and the previous record in 2010.
That's right, Brock. Similar story here in soybeans, as you can see, still well ahead of that 2010 record pace and well ahead of the average pace that we normally see at this time of year. The big story out there that we're hearing right now is variability out of the yields here. And in terms of soybeans, we're hearing some stories that yields are really surprising people to the high side here out of this crop. So October 11th is going to give us a really good idea of production out of the corn and soybean crop. This afternoon we will be getting private analyst FC Stone coming out with numbers. We'll be tweeting about that when it hits the wires here this afternoon. At GrainTV is where you can find us. Moving forward in the week on Friday, we'll be getting Informa numbers. Clearly those will be closely watched here, and we'll keep you posted on that on GrainTV. I think that wraps up our show here for Tuesday morning. Thanks a lot for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow.